Hello, friends. Today is our Class 17, and today's topic is the Layers panel. So let's start. The Layers panel basically works as an organizer for your design. Here, you can manage the elements of your artwork in separate layers, so editing becomes easier and your design stays clean. We can find the Layers panel in the Window menu, and its shortcut key is F7. Here, you can see different colored rectangles. Each color is different from the others. In the Layers panel, every color represents a separate layer. Each object is placed in its own layer with its own color. On the left side of each layer, you will see an eye icon. If we close this eye icon, our object will become hidden. Look at this. In this box, there is a lock icon that is initially hidden. When we click here, it becomes visible. Clicking on the lock will lock our layer, and now we cannot move the object, just like this. On the right side of the layer, you will see the small circle. If we click on this circle, our object gets selected. See this? At the top, we have Layer 1. All objects are inside this layer. If we close the eye icon of Layer 1, all the objects will be hidden. And if we click the circle on Layer 1, all the objects will be selected.